StepLift. Not all buildings have the adequate structural characteristics to install an elevator. The problem is that the cabin is usually large, bulky, takes up a lot of space, and is pretty expensive. StepLift is an incredible device that will help residents of small houses forget how uncomfortable it is to climb stairs. It's a compact lift that takes up only 15 centimeters of space next to the wall and is easy to install. When the person uses StepLift, there is enough space on the stairs for other people. It's very easy to use, you just have to push a button. A small platform comes out of the wall, the user has to stand on it and then give the order to move up. After passing a flight of stairs, the system automatically extends another platform for the next flight. There is no need to press the button each time. It should be noted that the system is absolutely safe for both the user and the people around. If the platform encounters an obstacle, it stops immediately.